It was a cool mid-October in 25 when we mounted up those motor-bellied beasts off Interstate 275, bound for that Greek city we repurposed in American fashion, with much more than a dash of Southern Ohio charm. Athens. We just picked up a fresh slew of new gear, so our bikes were heavy, but our spirits were light. Even with weather bound to break our ride, not much could hamper the feeling of a gentle 60 miles an hour, floating through hills, farms, and forests as we artistically carved our way to nowhere. What an amazing place to go. To lean so hard you become one with the land, to ride so far you become one with your bike, and to think so little that you actually start to know. Now it had been almost 3 weeks since the government had been in deadlock. No funding, they said. With no agreement in place, I hadn't been paid in almost a month. But that weekend, I was a rich man. 3 friends, open roads, a dash of fall color, as the green slowly gave way to winter's advance.
Gabe was the one who first brought up the idea of riding the Windy Nine. Mason and I were in immediately. We just wanted to get out and ride. I'd just picked up a CRF 300L Rally, Mason had his new KTM 390 Adventure, and Gabe still had his Honda Grom. It wasn't about making a big trip of it, just a chance to hit the roads, see some scenery, and ride together. So how many miles did we actually have to ride today?
Today is a lighter day. I want to say it's somewhere like on the 180 to 200 range. So that's probably 4 hours of riding, 3-4 hours.
Okay, so we won't be too bad off. We'll get back and kind of get to enjoy camp actually.
Yeah, should be.
That's nice. That's a change for once.
Yeah, so today's a lighter day since we had to ride here and then set up camp. So it'll be, this is the second longest day. Tomorrow will be the longest day. I think we're doing about 250, 260 miles.
Which is when it's supposed to rain.
Right in the morning.
The longest day. Who playing this anyway? So Mason's got a sleeping pad now, so you're gonna sleep in luxury. But what's your previous setup been like?
Ooh, on the ground.
How's that? Ready to go?
Ready to go.
All right.
been a long day, our travel day, and we're finally starting to get a real taste of what the Windy Nine is all about. Rolling hills, twisting roads, and endless scenic beauty, this region feels made for adventure. Every turn reveals something new, a glimpse of small town charm, a moment that makes the miles worth it. As the day winds down, hunger starts to set in, and we make our way back to town in search of something to eat. But before we do, we're treated to one last moment, an incredible sunset painting the sky as the light fades into the horizon. A chip? Like a one chip? Yeah, no. I think we did good getting some off-brand Windex because the bugs are plastered on this thing.
Yeah, it is really bad.
What's that?
We got all of the essentials, the birthday
cakes.
cake,
Yeah.
apple fritters.
Oh yeah. Make a healthy choice, eat a fruit. Yep.
That's right. We gotta balance it out.
Yeah, with our baked cheese curls, that's gonna balance out real nicely.
Oh yeah, we'll pour it down all night.
What did we make a healthy choice? What's in this box? I think this cart's bigger than the Grom.
We can load that up in the
You can just drive this back. I think the chances are that this box stays on. That's a ooh.
Yeah, we'll see.
What did we do that in like an hour?
Yeah, easy.
So this, like a couple hours, we should be done with that by the time it rains. And then
We gotta be like rolling by the time it's sunrise, so.
So we want to say like on the bikes rolling out at 7:20. So we'll ride that red portion that we didn't get to today. Like just bring your rain gear with you, obviously.
Yeah. I've been asked to tell you what we're gonna be doing tomorrow, and so we're gonna ride fast, we're gonna ride far, and if it rains, we're still gonna ride.